Good day everyone, my name is Eureka Liza topic from BSIT2-A. So today I'm going to discuss about the inheritance in OOP. So what is inheritance? So I'm going to state the definition. Inheritance represents a parent-child relationship where a child class inherits properties and behavior from the parent class. So parent class, as what Sir Ramsey discussed, is a superclass. I'll demonstrate it as a Pendleton, and then the subclass which is the child class, is dispensal. So today I'm going to discuss about inheritance and interface. So first, we have inheritance. So I have an example code of inheritance. You can view that. So nag-create ko directory for my project, and inside the directory, nag-create ko 4 Java files. That's vehicle.java, car.java, bike.java, and main.java. So we have the file contents. Yeah. So first is vehicle Java, right? So sa class declaration, we have class vehicle. This defines a base name class vehicle. Other classes can inherit from this class. So we have this attributes, which is the string brand. This variable holds the brand name of the vehicle. So int year, this variable holds the manufacturing year of the vehicle. We have here the constructor. Public vehicle string brand int year. This is constructor that initializes the brand and year attributes when a vehicle object is created, and method, which is this public void display info. This method prints out the vehicles and the year. So we have the second file, which is the car Java, still connected. And then we have here the class declaration, which is the class car extends to vehicle, declares that car is a subclass of vehicle inheriting its properties and methods. So the additional attribute is int doors. This variable holds the number of doors for the car. Constructor, public car string brand, int year, and int doors. Kani nga constructor nag-initialize sa brand, sa year, and doors. Co-watch sa parent class constructor using super brand year to set the inherited attributes, as you can see. So here's the method, public void display car info. As you can see, this method calls display info from the base class to show common information, and then we'll print out just a number of doors para sa specific na car. So third file is the bike.java. Class declaration. Similar to car, class bike extends to vehicle, indicates that bike inherits from vehicle. So additional attribute is the boolean has career. This variable indicates whether the bike has a career. Constructor. The constructor initializes brand, year, and has career, calling the parent constructor with super brand and year. Here's the parent. And then the method is public void display bike info. Getting a method na display siya bike information by calling the inherited method and then printing whether it has a career. And then the main.java. We have here the main class. Ang entry point sa program kaya nag-define sa public class main. Obvious naman dyan na. And then main method, the main method signature, public static void string args is where program execution starts. Creating objects. Kung mag-create ka new objects sa new car like Toyota and then 2024, you are calling the constructor of the car class. Nag-initialize din siya og bago nga car object sa iyang attributes. Yung method call kay the line car.display car info calls the method defined in the car class to print out sa iyang details. Gets ra? So ato ta sa output formatting sa main. So the use of system out.print line adds an empty line for better readability between outputs. So ang inheritance, nag-allow na siyang derived classes, car and bike, para ma-reuse and extend the functionality from a base class, vehicle, and each derived class can have its own attributes and methods while naka-utilize Japon siya those defined in its parents class. And then ang main program, nag-create siya ka ng examples of these classes para ma-demonstrate ang iyang functionality. Ang structured approach, dili ra kay ingon nga nag-promote sa code reusability, but also make it easier to manage and extend your code base. That's all for inheritance. Mag-continue ka sa interface. What is interface DI? Let me tell you, okay? So interface is an abstract class that defines a contract or a set of methods that must be implemented by any class that implements it. So, ang purpose ng interface para ma-specify ang common behavior o capability nga ma-share sa multiple classes without dictating how the behavior is implemented. So, ang example, ang printable interface might define print method which could be implemented by class like document, image, or web page. So, ang din ang implementation and inheritance. A class implements an interface by providing concrete implementations of all methods defined in the interface. Ang inheritance, a class inherits state and behavior from a parent class, but interfaces don't provide implementation, only define a contract. So, ang example, ang car class, same ako example ganyan sa inheritance, but interface lang siya. Nag-implement siya vehicle na interface, providing its own implementation of accelerate and brake methods. So, nag-demo na siya sa interface syntax. So, I'll discuss the code, wait for a while. Hello! So, I have here the code of interface, an example code of interface. So, you have here the first animal.java. So, ang explanation niya kaya, interface declaration, interface animal, nag-define siya name animal, is reference type similar to a class, but it can only contain method signatures and constants, walay method bodies. Ang method signatures ani kay void makes sound. This is an abstract method that any implementing class must define. It does not have a body in the interface. Void eat, another abstract method that specifies behavior for eating. Kaning void sleep, this method specifies behavior for sleeping. And then the purpose of the interface. Ang animal interface serves as a contract. Any class that implements this interface must provide concrete implementations for all declared methods. So we have your implementing classes. So muna siya ang dog.java. Dog.java is class dog implements animal, indicates that the dog class is implementing the animal interface. So this means it must provide implementations for all methods declared in the interface. So not the method implementations. Each method makes sound, eat, and sleep has been overridden with specific behaviors for dogs. So make sound prints siya sa dog nga ningon og woof woof, and then eat prints dog is eating, and then sleep prints dog is sleeping. Ang gamit sa override at override annotation kay mak-indicate na siya nga kani nga methods nag-overriding methods from the parent interface. So naka-help ni siya para readable and makakatch pud siya errors. Ika-compile nimo sa time, and then the method signatures do not match if. So let's proceed to the cat.java. So here, the explanation of this is, the cat class follows the same structure as the dog. Same sa akong explain niya. Nag-implement na siya the same methods but providing cat-specific behavior. So, ang nakailis ato, kano siya, ni meow-meow ang cat, ikakaon sa cat, cat is eating, and then sleep, cat is sleeping. So, let's proceed to main.java, which is the third one. Main class declaration. Ang entry point of sa program is defined with public class main. So, ano? Main method. The method signature public static void main string args is where program execution starts. So, there are naman sagon. Creating objects. So, ang object of type dog is created. So, animal my dog equals new dog. Nato diri nga nagamit ang polymorphism even though we are creating a dog. We reference it using the animal type. So, ang method calls ano niya, we call the methods defined in the interface on the myDog object, which executes the overridden methods in the dog class. Output formatting. Ang use of systemout.println adds an empty line for the better readability between outputs. So, ang interfaces di ay kay, again, contract that classes must follow, ensuring consistency across different implementations. Ang implementation, classes na siya, which is like, for example, katong dog and cat, implement this contract by providing specific behaviors for each method declared in the interface. Lastly, polymorphism. Ang kanin siya kay reference objects of implementing classes using their common interface type. Animal, allowing for flexible code design. Thank you.